Right. So like I said the other day, the foreign aid, right, they're going to give them, says about 4 billion more, right, to foreign aid. This is to countries that are probably loaning us cash, knowing them, because they won't bloody wind up the debts that we got. 4 billion. And do you know how much? You know, all they whipped up the working class. Well, the ones that are working at the moment, because they're going to get off and going to get a sack, I think. So they whipped them up into a frenzy of blabbering and taking all our money. The poor, they're taking our money, all rich and right wing, and scum. The scum down there, and the poor, and they're all scumming and lazy and whatever. Kill them all. This is the bloody half of my Christians, aren't they? It's great attitude. This is what bloody really built the NHS and the disabled systems and the benefit system. Yes, on the back of kill them all. So the exact same money that they're going to try and kill people with, take out, is 4 billion off the benefits. They're going to take 4 billion off benefits, right? And everyone's going, yeah, we're getting that, all the ones that got jobs at the moment, yeah, we're getting our money back and getting our, yeah, and 4 billion's going there, and you go, acting foreign aid. Ha ha ha, they ain't got a bloody penny. So what good are you going to do? Well, I don't fucking well know. Yeah, the war, right, and they've cut all the armed forces by half, I don't know, something stupid. And the soldiers are out there going, oh, we're going to go out and fight for our country, we're doing the great stuff. And they had this on Sky the other day. The old Challywham bloody saying, yeah, we're getting all our money from Britain. Yeah, we're fighting a bloody proxy war. They're fighting a proxy war. All their cash is coming from bloody mosque in Britain. This is what people have been saying all the time. They're saying the war bloody was as good as here. You know, all the bloody terrorists here. The money for the war out in Afghanistan coming from here. And Blinker City, of our bloody MPs. Oh no, that's too blush. That's knocking the multicultural bit. And even the people reported can face up to say, yeah, well they would say that, wouldn't they? All that stupid crap. Yeah, and the brave side, oh, we'll fight for our country. I think they're a bit young or something. What? They're getting their arms, limbs blown off. For what? For what? What country? The bloody war is here. You should be here. Madness. So you're going to come home. Half of them are going to get bloody sacked anyway. That's the thanks they're going to get. You're sacked. Oh yeah. I wish you'd told me that before we got my arms blown off. Living the rest of my life on a disabled benefit. Oh no, you won't get a disabled benefit, mate. You'll be in the street. So yeah, they're all going to get. The great patriots are saving our bloody country, all for bloody nothing. Because our leaders have all got. Oh, Britain is a business. It's all like the balance book. Balance book. Not about the people. There's the people, the white people, they're going out of existence. They've imported so many, they're being outbred. So I was it about 20 years time, they get overtaken, and a bit further down the line, this is like Muslim country. So, what the fuck are they fighting for? Nothing. Because the leaders are all like balance book, they're running like Britain as a business. Britain Inc. Not as a save the race. Like, no, there is no English race. Like, we don't care if it gets rubbed out totally, because we're like saving Britain's balanced books. So what are they fighting out in Afghanistan for? Britain's balanced books. They're fighting for nothing. It's poxy, come home, you're wasting everyone's time. Green con, yeah. So the one was on news now. Green disaster. Bloody green disaster. The maths don't stack up. They're finding fault in it left, right, and centre. The sun's this, the sun's that. They're backtracking all the bloody time. It's not even bloody happening. You're still looking at bloody global warming from 10,000 years ago from the last bloody ice age in the glacier, which is what it does in the background slowly. And they haven't got a bloody clue. But no, it's a disaster now. Oh, it's a disaster. Oh, fuck off, it's a disaster. What's the disaster is that they're putting up these expensive poxy bloody windmills being built abroad even, all the green bloody trade, green whatever crap. Everything's being built abroad. Even the bloody nuclear power station's still being bought in bloody Korea, and the steel factories here getting closed down. That's all shit. And yeah, got this, where was I? Yeah, the green disaster. The disaster is people going bankrupt, poor in this bloody country right now, right this minute, because they can't pay the excess on the bloody energy bills that are being extra charged for the green costs. It's coming out of all the poor people's bloody money, and they haven't got it. They're being double, triple, quadruple. That is the disaster of mental thinking that people haven't got the bloody money to pay for the fucking green shit in the second bloody place. So that is the disaster. These bloody knobs don't give a toss, and they've got the students all bloody brain. They're not paying for fucking shit. They're too busy with their fucking school.